The cinnamon raisin bagel, not babka. Pinch of sugar, 2.5 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, pinch of salt. Give that a little stir. We need to make a well. There's our yeast. Give it a little stir. This will take 6 to 8 minutes to knead. You'll notice that as the kneading paddle is going around and around, it's drawing in more of the dry ingredients, the flour, the sugar, the cinnamon, etc. that we had in there off the sides of our bowl, and it's incorporating it into the wet mixture that we had in there. Eggs, butter, water with the yeast. Once it's incorporated all the dry ingredients, then I'm gonna add in the raisins. Now we could also knead this by hand. It's gonna take a little bit more effort, a little bit more time. We're gonna break into a sweat, we're gonna be tired. So if you're looking for a workout, certainly you can knead the bagels. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add in our raisins now. I was a little late on adding in the raisins, I think, so it's taking me a little bit longer to have everything kind of introduced and made friends in this bowl, but it's coming along. Just a little bit of flour on your board, and then we'll take this out. This has all the raisins, I should say. Okay, we've got that in there, and we'll just press it down once, and we can fold once, press a little bit. Okay, a little press that way, turn, fold, press, okay? You do it again, turn, you could fold this way and press. I can smell the cinnamon. These are gonna be delicious. It's certainly worth the work. So just bring this together now in a nice ball. We'll seal it up on the bottom as well, okay? This should rise to about double in size, okay? You've got yourself a nice ball here. It's very good. Excellent. Boom, good. So we're gonna now have a bowl. We're gonna give it a little kiss of olive oil so that way it assures that this is not gonna stick to it, okay? Just a little kiss. There we go. This ensures that it's not gonna stick to the bowl, okay? Just a little dunk there, a little dunk. And I call it the dunk and swirl, okay? We dunked it, we swirled it, we rolled it. Perfect. That's it. Okay. Cover it with a warm towel now. Leave it rise about 90 minutes. When it's done rising, we're going to give a little punch. And then we're going to start to make our bagels. Excellent. Ta-da! We're going to give it one little punch. Oh, nice. Sprinkle of flour. Hopefully nothing else breaks. Excellente. We've taken the air out, so that's good. A little bit more flour. I want to make a ball. Can you see that? Great. Watch what I'm going to do, okay? I'm going to get all these into balls. Okay. Press. Oh, I heard it crack. And through. Once we're through, there we go, just like that. Now, roll it. Shape a little bit. bagel. Lost it. Right there. Press through. And you can even do it with your thumbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, I declare a thumb war. Something like that. Okay? They're going to shrink, so stretch them out a little bit. So I'm just touching everything up here. If you don't stretch them as much, that's fine, because that way the center won't be as big. So if you're going to be slicing them and putting something on your bagel, that way it's not going to fall through. So you can leave something closer to size of that one and not worry about it shrinking, because that's what you'll want. Or you can have something even like this one that's a little bit bigger, and that's okay too. Next up, we're going to put them in boiling water, 1 minute per side. Add a little bit of baking soda in there as well. It's going to give us that nice soft chewiness that we want for a bagel. If we don't do that, it's just going to turn out like bread, and that's not what we're looking for here. Bon. Oh yeah. Boom! Out of this world cinnamon raisin bagels. Try the recipe. Oh, they're so good. Delicious. The cinnamon raisin bagel does not take a backseat to babka. Quick and easy bagel recipe. You can bake your own bagels right at home. Please also remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and you'll see more great recipes from me, Uncle Drew's Kitchen. Boom! These are fabulous. These are fabulous bagels.